This week we'll be reading CVC words. And the meaning of CVC, this stands for consonant, vowel, consonant. So we're going to be reading words that are 3 letters long. The directions say each sound separately and then blend the sounds together to read the whole word. Another word for blend is to put together. So I'll show you what the directions mean. Before we go on reading our CVC words, we're going to say the short vowel sounds together, as reviewed to help us read the words in the boxes. The short A sound makes A like apple. Short E makes the sound E, an elephant. Short I, like iguana, is I. Short O makes the sound like an octopus. And the last vowel that we have, U, the short U makes like an umbrella. So now that we reviewed the short vowel sounds, we're going to read the first word in this rectangle. So remember the directions said say each sound separately. So let's do that first. So I don't want you guys to say C-A-P. Those are the letter names, but right now we need to say the sound. So if you get a little confused, ask yourself, what sound does C make? That's K. What sound does A make? A, like apple. What sound does P make? P. So what I want you guys to do is this. K, A, P. So we're saying the sounds separately. And the reason why there's little dots here is for you to focus on each sound first. K, A, P. Now the directions say, and then blend the sounds together. So we're going to put K, A, P all together now. Cap. Good job. The next word, let's say the sounds separately. N, E, T. Now blend the sounds together. Net. The word that you just read is net. Let's go on to the third word. Remember, say the sounds separately at first to make sure you're reading the word correctly. And this is going to be a great skill for us to have because we want to be good readers. B, I, G. Big. The word that we just read is big. Let's read 2 more words together. Up, hop. The last word we're reading is b-a-s. Now let's put or blend the sounds together to read the whole word. Bus. Bus. Great job, you guys. So now it's your turn to read the words by yourself. So when you go to your Google slide for Monday's work, you're going to focus on the short A sound. And then you'll move on to short E, short I, short O, and short U. Make sure that you're saying the sounds separately at first, and then you're putting the sounds together to read the whole word. Good luck!